Last week, our English teacher, Miss Nadia, told us we were going on a school trip. Our whole class was very excited. We wanted to know where we were going. Miss Nadia said one of us could choose the location. She said that we each had to write a paragraph about the place we wanted to visit. We would visit the place which had the best paragraph about it. I really wanted to go to a farm. I decided that my paragraph had to be the best one in the whole class. But I didn't know how to write a good paragraph. I just knew that a paragraph has several sentences. Is the first sentence meant to be written a certain way? Are there special rules on how to write the first sentence? Should the sentences be connected? I had no idea. I talked to Miss Nadia and she gave me some useful tips. I'll explain the tips by showing you my paragraph. A paragraph should be about one main idea. That main idea should be introduced in the first sentence of the paragraph. This was easy. I knew what my first sentence would be. I think we should all go to a farm for our school trip. The first sentence is normally called the topic sentence of a paragraph. Now the sentences after this have to support or help the main idea. I had to show Miss Nadia why a farm would be the best place for everyone. Farms are very important because they provide all the food that we eat. I now had to provide specific details. We can see how animals like cows and hens live on a farm. The farmers can tell us the different crops that can be grown on a farm. The farmers can also let us ride in the tractor with them as they plow the fields. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I now had 5 good sentences. The order of the sentences also made sense. Miss Nadia had said that a paragraph normally has 6 to 10 sentences. I just had to think of the last sentence. Miss Nadia had said that a great last sentence restates the main idea. It can also summarize the supporting sentences. In essays and stories, the last sentence sometimes introduces the next paragraph. I thought for some time about the last sentence, and this is what I wrote. A farm visit will be interesting for all of us, and it will be a good learning experience. This last sentence is also called a concluding sentence, as a conclusion is the end of something. Miss Nadia loved my paragraph. Our visit to a farm was very enjoyable. Just remember, a good paragraph has a topic sentence that states the main idea. The sentences after this are supporting sentences, as they support the main idea. The last sentence is called a concluding sentence, and it restates the main idea. It can also summarize the other sentences. Happy writing!